Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Realme X8 Max device when the battery percentage is below 20%. As you can see friends, right now battery percentage is below 20%, exactly 19%. And during this time of testing, I'll try to use the high performance mode after the Realme UI 3.0 update. Let's see what will be the benchmark scores while doing this kind of testing when the battery percentage is below 20%. Can it get any kind of high scores or not? That is what my main intention of making this kind of video. And you might be wondering why I'm doing this kind of video, especially concentrating on the battery, because few users did mention that benchmark score will be also depend on the battery percentage, how much it is. So for example, same kind of testing I did do on the iQOO 7 device. iQOO 7 was able to get the benchmark test even when the battery percentage is below 5% as well. Yes, I did do the testing and phone was able to get really very good scores, same like normal score only. But let's see whether this Realme X8 Max can get actually that kind of performance or not when the battery percentage is below 20%. Right now all the apps are completely clear from the background. Let me open the benchmark test. And after the Realme UI 3.0 update, I'm getting plenty of high increased scores when compared with the before scores. So right now we are getting always close to 7 lakhs only it's maintaining. And let me start the test friends. Let me take a screenshot. So this is a recently done the benchmark test. That's the reason I'm trying to take the screenshot using high performance mode as well. Right now the temperature is about close to 28 degrees only, which is pretty low temperatures, as you can clearly see because of my surrounding room environment, because of the cold weather situation. That's the reason. So this is a winter time, right? So it will be really cold, but I don't use any kind of AC. There is no cooler, nothing in my room. So right now it's 19% and I did start doing this benchmark test, and let's see how much benchmarks we can actually expect from this Realme X8 Max device. Again, I'll be back after some time just to check out the temperatures, what's going to be there in this device. So right now let's see friends what will be the temperatures at this moment. So 36.2 degrees it increased. So starting with the 28%, it increased to 36 degrees Celsius. So usually with this benchmark test after the Realme UI 3.0 update, what's happening is that the battery is draining very much faster in this device. So before it used to drain only 4% to 5% while doing this benchmark test. Now it's draining up to 10 to 12% of the battery right now. That's the reason friends I thought of concentrating on this particular topic as well. Right now it dropped to 14% as well during this time of testing. As you can see, 14%. Already 5% got decreased within this 50% of testing only. And the temperatures is about 36.4 degrees, the highest temperatures right now the phone did reach at this moment. So I will be back after some time just to check what is happening overall with the temperatures in this device. So then we'll be able to understand exactly what's going on in this phone. So right now it did reach up to 78% of the overall benchmark test, and battery dropped below, I think close to 10% at this moment exactly. 9% of the battery completely drained during this process of demonstration, and the temperature is about close to 37.2 degrees. But only one thing is that, can this be improved any kind of benchmarks test or not? I mean, can it remain same or not at least? So at least not, I'm not expecting high scores. I'm trying to expect, can the phone maintain consistent level of benchmarks or not when the battery percentage is 20%. So maybe my expectations would be kind of close to 6,90,000 to 7 lakhs in between this kind of score I'm expecting on the Realme X8 Max device during this process of demonstration. Let's see friends whether the phone can actually do it or not. During the process we'll be able to understand exactly what's going on as well. And right now 36.8 degrees Celsius during this 37 degrees Celsius at this moment. Let's see. So I will be back after some time. And finally we got the benchmark scores, which is about 6,98,000 friends. That's really great to see this kind of scores, consistent scores. Even when the battery percentage is below 20% as well, the phone was able to maintain stable scores overall. Regarding the CPU and the GPU scores, you can clearly see. And battery dropped by 14%. 14%, that's a huge battery drop if you ask me definitely. Normally it will only drop 4 to 6%, that's it. But 14% friends, definitely there's some kind of serious battery draining issues is going on in the Realme X8 Max with the Realme UI 3.0, which is a beta version. So that's the main problem. So until we get the stable version, this kind of problems can be there with the battery backup. But overall score seems to be really impressive friends. I am really impressed because I did not expect much. I was expecting 6,90,000 somewhere around that. I thought it will decrease, but it did not decrease much. That's really good to see this kind of high scores. And highest temperature 34.6 degrees Celsius increased, 6.6 degrees increased during this process of demonstration. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off. Until then, bye.